9 minus 9 multiply 9 minus 9 equal what? Here 9 minus 9 gives us 0. Multiply this 9 minus 9 gives us 0. 0 times 0 gives us 0. But this answer is not correct. Now I will apply PEMDAS rule to solve this math correctly. Here PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, at first we have to work with parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have same priority. For this we have to work left to right, and addition and subtraction have same priority. For this we have to work left to right also. Here there is no parenthesis, there is no exponent, there is no division, there is no addition. Here existing only multiplication and subtraction. According to the order of proportion, multiplication have higher priority than subtraction. Therefore, at first we have to work with this multiplication. Here this 9 minus this 9 times 9 gives us 81 minus this 9. According to the order of proportion, when we have more than one subtraction, then we have to work left to right. Therefore, at first we have to work with this subtraction, then this subtraction. 9 minus 81 gives us minus 72 minus this 9. Minus 72 minus 9 gives us minus 81. And this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.